Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to all our mentees present here. So, Mentify is an educational and networking platform that helps you connect, interact, and draw from the experiences of success stories of different people in your chosen fields. The best success for our platform would be if you get to share your success story someday with our platform with our fellow mentees then. And what's better than forming this community and completing the circle? Now, all of you all must be knowing Rasika, our CAAIR 11. Yet, I'll just do a quick round of introduction. Rasika has been a very dear friend of mine since childhood, and from seeing her dream about becoming a CA at age 11 to seeing her become CAAIR 11 has been an amazing journey, and I'm honored to be a part of it. She scored 95% in her 10th grade and went on to achieve an amazing score of 176 on 200 in CPT after her 12th. She worked at Deloitte Audit and Assurance Department and now is working with Gokhale Associates. She secured the second rank in Navi Mumbai in the CA IPCC examination with a score of 438 on 700. Alongside focusing on her CA examinations, she also completed CIMA level 1 and is very proficient in Mandarin level 3. It's not all about studies, and I have seen her take part actively in elocution competitions in school, and she proved the same when she hosted the Tarang event for Bombay Chartered Accountants Society. So let's welcome Rasika.
Hello. Hi, everyone. And thank you, Shreya, for that glamorous, should I say, introduction. I mean, kuch bhi nahi na, to at least study for this amazing feeling that you get when you get a rank. Everybody starts treating you like this celebrity that you are. I mean, and why not? Everybody should be treated. Our course is so vast, and when you get a rank, that feeling only I can't explain to you. And I think what better success will be if I can share a little of my own expert advice and you can take it and I can help you bridge that gap between maybe attempts to clearing or pass to a rank. That will be my biggest success. And that's why we've started Mentorify. So a big welcome to all of y'all. And I hope you have the best takeaway from this lecture. So, I mean, I have been on your side not so long ago. So I'm pretty sure you're thinking, please point pe aaja or ghuma mat. So I think I'm going to cut straight to the chase and start with why we are all here today. How to crack CA final, or should I say any attempt of CA in the first attempt. The first golden rule that I'll give you, since we are all about golden rules, is that you should plan to the T. It should be plan, adapt, improvise. You have to make sure that you complete the entire portion at least once before you go on study leave. Because if you have not done that, if you are not comfortably approaching CA final, I think somebody asked me in that question, what is the central idea of CA? If I have to tell you, CPT tests you how fast you are. IPCC tests you how much can you grasp in that 9 months such a vast portion and reproduce. And CA final actually will test you how you can accumulate 5 years of knowledge into that 3 hours using your practical articleship and theory that you've learned. So, because if you don't complete it, मुझे पता नहीं ICI को कैसे पता चलता है, but it definitely knows what you have left in studies and वही तुम्हारा mandatory question 1 होगा. If I have to give my example only, that you remember costing or now SCMP silver sands question. Everybody thought November 19 में आ चुका था, so definitely November 20 में तो नहीं आएगा. So I also studied the question before it and after it. एकदम amazing. What came as question 1? Silver sands beach question. Oh, by the way, am I not audible? Okay. I think Anuja, then you can test once more. Okay. So that is what I covered. Planning is the first thing. And secondly, you have to complete one reading before you go on final leave, that is 5 months before. But how do you do that? Now, many people ask me, how do you manage articleship, work pressure, and study such a way that you will be in a comfortable position? I give you a small tip. Frankly, after IPCC, 6 months you deserve a nice break, because at that point you have completed one of the most competitive exams, and it's like you gearing for the next 2.5 hours, 2.5 years. So I think first anyway it's going to be waiting for results and then articleship finding. Once your classes start, you have to be regular. You have to study along with class. And how is that possible? See, normally people also start, or classes start, or for the brave ones, your self-study starts with normally practical subjects. So I'm saying SFM, FR, or SCMP. Now I know most of CA final has become theory, but if you start with these subjects and 10 sums are maybe done in class, 7 you know are good enough questions, you come back home and you have to practice those. एंड क्लास भी बस नोट्स लेने के लिए मत जाओ और बाकी टाइम सोओगे तो लेट गए. यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट. सो स्टडी इन क्लास, कम बैक होम. That 7 questions, now what I used to do is, because it is such a big portion that you have to complete finally in that 1.5 days. So what do? You make DDS. So this is mine. You can always have your own. I used to make a don't do stupidity kind of small note at the right side of my textbook, and some points that I couldn't attempt, or that formula was too tough or I couldn't crack it, I used to write it. वो पता है ब्रेन को एग्जाम के टाइम वही DDS रसिका डोंट डू स्टूपिडिटी ऐसा याद आता है. So do all this stupidity, it doesn't make you a geek, it's okay. So you do that. Then when the chapter ends in class, your study should also end in class. It should end at home. And at the end of the chapter ending, you take the most important questions that you found. Suppose portfolio management. You found around 15 questions were important. You write those at the chapter heading. And that completes your one reading of the class material. If you have the time, and I'm saying you please remove some time, SFM PM is a must. And you पैसा भरा है ना पूरा कोचिंग का, पूरा यूटिलाइज करो. You solve it at home, go to the class and ask the teachers a lot of doubts. I asked plenty. So I am saying there is no sharam in asking, go and do that. That will complete. So you will have this one reading complete before you're going, suppose for May, December study leave. And when you go in December, you are in a comfortable position कि हाँ भाई ये देखा है, अभी याद नहीं है कुछ भी, पर देखा है, उतना काफी होता है ब्रेन के लिए. So this is how you're supposed to manage article. And I'm sure there's going to be work pressure, there's going to be I did see PM in your study material. I will point out your biggest problem. You don't take new course as only new course. New course needs to take the material from old course because they are a combination together. If you do not do SFM PM twice, you are planning for a failure. SFM hasn't changed from old and new, so that is a must. When I come to subject wise, I'll come to that. So I think we can close how to study in the articleship period and go to subject wise how and what I should study. So the material and all that. I'll go subject wise. FR. In days he hai pura. I don't think there's anything except my the special subject of CSR and the other few. But 109, the masters, 115, 116, 19, 37, and sometimes 12, 21. All these are the important, the crux of India's, and the other ones are also equally important. But these need a special attention. Now 116, my attempt, it was a new. So they asked it, actually entire paper was cut copy paste from SM. So I'm again going to repeat, entire ICAI BOS portal is your Bible. Before you complete entire portal twice, don't touch any author. You do your classes, but don't go for multiple books. It never helps. They are putting the same thing but in another format. So first you complete for FR, first you complete your notes. Make concise notes. Now suppose, so I was a JTSC student if somebody is asking. So they used to give us notes. Now, when I used to go home, I used to take the module. Just I never liked India's module reading, but I used to just see if what they have given in the notes corresponds to module. If there's any point missing, I used to write in a short form there to show that I have come. So then I don't have to look at the module. Then I used to go to the illustrations. Illustrations for especially India's 33 are very bad. I agree. But look at them. At least know the crux of what they want in that illustration. Then you go to test your knowledge. You have to do that for every chapter of India's. All the actually not just India's, everything FR, complete it with all this, and then I'm going to tell you when to do RTP MTP also. Till that time, don't touch it. First, you have to complete all this. Second, I think SFM I talked in depth, but that was PM. If anybody is under the wrong impression that you don't have to do it, pick up the book today and start doing it, except for 3 chapters, chapter 2, 3, 4. That is not in your new portion right now. Except that everything has to be covered twice. There also make this DDS point. So how to do PM also? Take the entire book PM. Yeah, I'll come to that. Take the books PM, solve the question, and then write your small points at the side, so that when you are again revising, you make those important questions should be on the chapter heading. I'll tell you what to do that in the 4-month strategy.
But when you're doing that before it, you have to make a list. CA final is all about cross-referencing, indexing, having what to study, when to study, perfect for that 1.5. You are completely preparing yourself how to complete the entire portion in 1.5 days. क्योंकि जो वो दिन में देखोगे ना वही पेपर में लिखोगे. वो पहले वाला photogenic memory है तो ठीक है. I'm talking for the rest of us. Okay, so I think SFM has PM as its base, and of course SM also, test your knowledge, and illustrations has to be done. There are a few very corporate valuation and all those chapters. And oh, before I forget, SFM theory, if you leave, you because ICAI is now going, I don't know why, CFA level SFM exam. So you need to strong on your theory, because if you see our paper, my God, it was so theory is what saved us. Corporate valuation has theory, but major is startup finance. First chapter, financial policy, securitization. Securitization, so they love that who are the participants and what is the process. So that you need to be very clear in theory. And so how I studied theory was also a question. I'll just cover it here. I used to make those short forms. गाना बनाती थी उसका, छोटे maybe ABCD or something like that. I used to make it. I used to record my own audio. So how articleship time I used was, first I used to study at least 2 hours every day in the start, and then at the end almost 3 to 4 hours. And secondly, I used to make my audios. So when I am traveling in the train to go to my office or something, people used to listen to songs. I used to listen to my own audio. And that helps. Nothing more helps than your own audio, own voice being registered in your head. So do that. Anything, when we used to go to class, me and my friend used to ask each other section numbers. What is the essay? What is the standard? You have to form that group. Group study kabhi nahi karne ka, last ke 5 mahine mein. But when you are in class, you have to do it. That will help you all grow together. So I think that was theory, and I come to our favorite every CA final theory subject, audit. I know audit is a subject in itself that nobody can teach you kaise padna hai. But the only, I think, strategy is to keep having it, मतलब वो आँखों के सामने आते जाना चाहिए.
Well, anyway, audit starts a little late in the classes also. So when that starts now, get serious tabhi only. Start reading. I know nobody is going to open that pronouncement ka book. I also did, frankly. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I don't suggest any other author for any other subject. But Pankaj Garg book is good, The Scanner, because nobody is going to read essays. So, and the chronology still stays. You have to first go to your classes book, and the most important part that should be your crux that you need to know is essays,
professional ethics, company audit. That you need to be very clear in. Then you come to other topics, and other topics you know that banks and NBFC. But again, you cannot leave other topics. वो अगर 100% किया है तो ये एटलीस्ट 70% करो. They want you कि they want to see if you can even attempt other topics. उससे वो खुश हो जाते हैं और मार्क देते हैं शायद. ऐसे they want to be you to be very clear at. So audit as a subject is anyway theory. Can you do it at home? Sure. Will you do it at home? It needs your own willpower to get up in the morning and study that theory. So if it's being taught in the class, don't sleep at home. I had so many people missing audit. But why? Class जाओगे तो पढ़ोगे तो सही, वरना तो कभी पढ़ने नहीं वाले हो. Don't ever miss classes because they are in that industry for 20 years. You are not that smart to do anything at home. If you are, I'm just giving my opinion today. Everybody has their own advice to follow. So that audit ke liye you're supposed to first do classes, then go on to do SMK questions. Then the PM actually is not necessary for audit, becomes too much. Rather than you would do RTP and MTP, which I will come to later when to do. So first finish reading and then Pankaj Garg you do it along. Essays, other chapters, do Pankaj Garg, it's good. Finally, I think law. Law as a subject became my strong point, majorly to how it was taught to me in class. I scored 81, so that was a big feat for myself also, because IPCC I didn't score that well. Oh, and another advice that I wanted to give you: just because you don't get a rank in IPCC doesn't mean you won't get a rank in final. This was my notion, so ICI helped me get over it. So if you study well, you can get a rank in final also. But double ranker होते अलग है, पर अपने को भी मिल जाता है. So that way, for law, how are you supposed to study directors? 4 chapters of directors you have to be excellent at. Question 1 director से आने ही वाला है. And not just reading, you have to write at least 10 question answers each for director and get it checked from your teacher. So if you want, you can always come to us for, we are going to have that mentorship and all that, so you can give the checking papers and all that. But have a sir who will, I used to do that, they made us actually write answers for director questions, and we used to get it checked and he used to tell us what is wrong. Secondly, inspection, compromise, winding up. That is also important, but other chapters like, I don't know why, they love foreign company. कुछ ना कुछ तो आता ही उससे. So do those small chapters, registered value, और कुछ नहीं ना तो MCQ में आ जाता है. And then if I have to tell you ना, our entire MCQs were from ICI module. वो जो पीछे के दिए जाते हैं ना, completely from there. मतलब I knew the question before I had to read. Frankly, even that case study of 10 marks, it came from my classes का test series. So write as many papers as you can. If you have that, I didn't have to read that case study. मेरे 10 मिनट बच गए थे because I knew the answers anyway. So my paper got completed amazingly well. I had time for theory. So the more you see MCQs, you know there's an examiner's 30 to 70 this thing on the portal, ICI BOS portal. There is 30-70 assessment tab. There are MCQs for DT, IDT, law, audit. Solve them. Many people miss that out. Do that also. And finally, I think law covers before I forget, nobody does this. एक तो ना notice of AGM, board meeting या कुछ तो write once in your life, because you're otherwise never going to write it. And 4 mark का चिंदी दे रहे वो लोग. All you have to do is write it once in your life. Do it ना. Then I think that covers an economic law, allied law. FEMA and IBC is ICI's favorite. पक्का question आएगा. PAMLA and all the rest of arbitration, nobody reads, I know, but at least know what is in that topic. But MCQ it is good. So just have a look, but FEMA and IBC should be main. Now we go to SCMP or costing. This time, I don't know how, but SCMP was not a good mark scorer for many of the people. I did manage to get it, but I think advice would be do stick to module language as much as possible. Am I saying थोड़ा रट्टा मारो? हाँ मारो. Because मैं SCMP में बोलती हूँ, we had an EVA question. The answer was supposed to come negative because the note below it had to be a negative comment. मैंने पहले calculator पे check किया भाई negative आ रहा है या नहीं. They had given a short question to us, and all you had to do was make sure that you write exactly module language. So don't ignore the module. There is even on the portal additional case studies, additional case scenarios. At least we had it. I was checking, it is now under maybe your module 3. वो module 3 है इतू सा पर तगड़ा है. वो करने का ही मतलब it has every case study possible that they can घुमोफा and ask you. So I think the 4 starting chapters are pure theory, introduction and blah blah. Then pricing policy and decision making has a little practical. Performance evaluation, very important. A question of 8 to 10 marks is pakka from that chapter. You cannot leave it. Transfer pricing, again important. And then the module 3. Do that. Do BOS portal, add additional case scenarios. Then, let's come to elective. I think which paper to take, कौन सा paper में marks आएगा. मेरा same question forever. किस paper में मिलके मुझे exemption मिलेगा. Because and trust me, वो open book है, वो उनकी जाल है. उससे अच्छा तो closed book, of course better than इसका any day. But still, what to choose has always been very subjective. I was also under this impression. I was not an India student, so I never took GFRS. Capital markets is nice if you are strong in SFF. International tax is pretty vast. So if you are good at taxation, you can take that as a subject, because of course there's an added advantage of 6 and 7 being tax and international tax. But RM and eco-law, मतलब multidisciplinary case study मैं बोल भी नहीं रही. It's for the brave people. I am not the best judge for that subject. But my also tussle was between eco-law and RM. RM law was always a bit more appealing than RM for me, so I went on that course. Thankfully or what, our paper was also amazing. RM में ठोका था ये तो सबने सुना ही होगा. But it's a bet or a gamble. Any one paper gives you every attempt. So choose your subject wisely. And how are you supposed to study open book? You are supposed to read the book at least thrice. Once before you go on study leave, one before at the time you have to in the duration of study leave, and one before in that 1.5 days. And if you don't write that paper at least 2 or maximum 3 times before you go for the exam, you मतलब 4 घंटे है, I know, book खुला है, I know, but you need to write and you need to make that index. At the end मुझे index देखना ही नहीं पड़ा था, because I was so used to the book that I knew where it was, and I had put those sticky notes. So my entire cross-referencing was on making audios, on making putting sticky notes, on putting DDS points. So my brain knew where to go, but index is a must. You need that for elective paper. Finally, can we come to DT? It starts when your classes start and it never ends. So DT is a very, very vast subject, because it has tax, basic provisions, then it has the assessment procedures, then it has international tax. What is your subject that you need to focus on? PGBP, capital gains, assessment of various entities, charitable trust. I don't know why, but they love charitable trust. So charitable trust. Then assessment procedures, the entire thing with penalties. I had the same problem, how to study penalties, how to study that कितने साल के लिए imprisoned वगैरह होगा. You have to keep looking at, and IC has actually given it really well in the module. Better than my classes note, IC has given nice penalties written. You can just see 5 pages every day. That helps. And then you go on to doing international tax. 30 marks of international tax, you cannot get less than 25. International tax is a good bonus that you are given, takes less time and gives you most marks. So transfer pricing in NRI taxation, that has to be done. There's always also overview of BEPS and fundamentals. वो बहुत theory है, किच किच है, पर पढ़ने का, that is also very important. And finally,
equalization levy, if I don't know if you all have that new equalization levy of 2% and all that, any new provision you should always know. So keep a view on the amendments that are applicable to you 6 months prior to your attempt. So that covers DT. DT, all your subjects actually, not just DT, you're supposed to do is class notes. DT, तो I want you to read once the bare law also. एंड मतलब क्या करना है, आर्टिकलशिप जाते हो ना, उधर डीटी कोई ना कोई तो कर, मतलब सब लोग ही रिटर्न फाइलिंग तो करते ही है. व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दैट, open the bare provision, read what section 40 says, read the bare provision. Writing the section is important, but first you need to know how that section came. 36 आया, फिर 40 disallowance आया. Once you read the bare provision, it really helps. We used to do it in class. You can do it in articleship.
Now you can use office resources that's available. Okay, finally, then DT, I think 4 modules hai. I want you to do all the illustrations. I did them, so that's why I'm suggesting. बहुत बड़ा है, but you have to make the time, because DT illustrations are a very good example of how the questions will be coming in the exam. So that is a must. And finally, IDT, I can call it chota dhamaka. I mean chota packet bada dhamaka. है छोटा सा. IDT place, time, value and supply charge, वो सब कर लो तो हो जाता है. Then you go and see the questions. My God.
ये biscuit, ये transporter, will this be, what is the place of supply? You can make n number of questions, but they're interesting. It's fun to do. And I'm going to come to that boring part of it, customs and FTP. GST कर लोगे, and if you leave customs and FTP, वो FTP में हमारे IDT paper ने literally it came in MCQs. One whole page was MCQ. Nobody had done FTP. We had just seen it. Do not leave FTP. It gives you straight 5 to 6 marks, and ICI will ask it because students will leave it. So please don't leave it. And then that will you have to take it again. Module of IDT is amazing. मतलब class के notes भी नहीं पढ़ोगे ना. Finally, for customs, I had read it from module only. They have given amazing, a concise way में they have taught how IDT is, and that helps you for every chapter. Make your own notes. It's okay. Again, MCQ के लिए portal पे 30:70 assessment है. Go and do MCQs there. So I think, sure, I have completed how to do all the subjects wise. Anyway, it's going to be an open floor at the end. So if I am not addressing any of your specific points, you can always come ask me the question at the end. I'll just complete what I think has to be right now. Then I come to my third point of agenda, I think was last 4 month strategy. So I'll tell you how I went on for May 20 without knowing it's going to be a November 20. I came, if you're going on a good, so 5 month study leave, you start on December 1st. From December to 15th February is your first big and correct revision. So I'm saying revision because I'm assuming you're going to follow my procedure and take a first study for one reading before you go on that study leave. So till 15th Feb is my study period, the first revision, where I want you to do everything that I said that you have not completed. That is PM, do the entire thing. Now what I want you to do is, you have written that important questions on the chapter head. You have to solve those questions. You have to solve the questions that are remaining. But because I'm very sure you cannot complete the entire thing along with articleship. It's not possible. Work pressure hai, everything hai. So do what you have left in December, entire thing. And start writing subject chapter wise papers. If they are taking it in the class. I know personally my class, so JKSC has had classes, had papers for chapter wise or 2-3 chapters. Take it.
checking nahi hui na theek se, it's okay, you can give it to somebody else for checking. Your professors only can help you out. But I'll tell you my example. 2nd Jan या 1st Jan, just after New Year की मजे, there was SFM का paper, some 40-ish marks. And I did so badly. I can't even tell you. I blanked out or something in the paper. And I came home and I was so angry at myself. मतलब मैं 3 PM देख रही हूँ, ये देख रही हूँ, मुझे पेपर अटेम्प्ट करने नहीं आ रहा है जिसमें 2 चैप्टर्स पूछ रहे. I was very angry. And after that, every day I used to do 1 hour of SFM PM. Every day. Till I knew I had a strong hold over that subject. Every day 1 hour was given. So how are you supposed to do your 5 months strategy? There are 8 papers. If you're giving one attempt, no harm, 4 papers. You need to find what are your strong subjects and your weak subjects. Everybody has those. If you have all 4 strong, you are there to AR1. If you are all weak, you need some special hard work to do. But I'm going to take on a natural basis 2 on 2. Now your 2 subjects that you're strong on, you have to build that foundation that चाहे कैसा भी पेपर आए ना, इसमें मेरे को 50 तो मिलेगा ही, और exemption of 60. 50 if you're passing, ahead if you have to go to that leap. But for the weak subjects, I suggest you do that subject every day or at least every alternate day. I personally do not believe in finishing a subject and then going on to new subject. You will forget. For sure, you will forget it. Human brain cannot retain it for more than 3 to 4 days. साइकिल में, लूप में चलना चाहिए दैट सब्जेक्ट. आज मैंने 2 सब्जेक्ट या 3 सब्जेक्ट किए, एक रात को मैंने थोड़ा सा लिखा 4-5 क्वेश्चन, next day the next 3 subjects, next day another those 2, and the repeated first वाले खत्म जो हुए. It has to go together. So I told you 15th Feb should complete your one amazing revision. Then you're supposed to that time pick up RTP and MTP. Now that takes you what, 16th Feb to 28th Feb. You guys have 28th Feb. That time you're supposed to do those RTP and MTP, at least 2 RTPs, 3 MTPs. And again, I'm going to clarify this some misguided information that you all have, that old RTP and old MTP nahi dekhne ka. No, you're supposed to chanofy that entire BOS portal, at least for SFM, law, audit, costing. Again, old is not there. Oh, I'll tell you when, but DT, some people used to tell me, DT na, you see only one attempt purana ये RTP and MTP. क्यों भाई, एक्ट तो 1961 का ही है, थोड़े अमेंडमेंट्स आए, पता है मेरे को क्या है, बट सॉल्व ना दोस क्वेश्चंस, यू हैव टू सी कि कैसे आए हैं. आई वेंट राइट अप टू November 17, ओल्ड एंड न्यू. ऑफ कोर्स आई हैड द टाइम, 6 महीने का गैप मिल गया था, सो boon or bane, I don't know, boon now, but whatever. So I had the time, but you can always refer for some of the old course material. It is a must. So that you have to do RTP and MTP in that till 28th Feb. 1st March to 15th March, I want you to write a series. You have to take up a paper and write any. You can take online exams that are available. You can take a past paper, my paper only, and write. If you want, you can always contact us. We will check it and give it to you. So you have to. I base my entire the success on the fact I wrote 5 series, because मेरा 5 बार exam cancel हुआ, but that way I wrote 5 full-fledged series. You have to have writing practice. There is no other choice. वो 6th पेपर टाइम में जब एक्चुअली लिख रही थी, ऐसे लग रहा था हाँ एक और बार लिख ही रही हूँ, चलो ये भी देते. So it needs to have that repetition. You need to get into the habit. So you write a series 1st to 15th. That time you are studying again. So you finished 1st Feb में एक बार. You are again studying like you are studying for the final exam. And that time I want you to do again 2 more RTPs. So that completes your 1 series. Now in March 2nd half, you have to do a final revision of all the left ICI material. That is your base. You have to finish everything during that time. Anything that is left out, anything that you have to do additionally, old course or whatever. And that is when you have to write your important questions that you had written at the chapter heading. Now goes to your index. So my index should look like chapter name, most important questions that I have to see 1.5 days before exam, and the one that you feel अरे ये तो आएगा ही, एक हमारा GNPA या ऐसे कोई तो बैंक का SFM का क्वेश्चन था, that you have to color code and put sticky notes. That completes your material done by end of March. April, again 1st to 15th, I want you to write your second series. Whichever you're doing is okay. Second series written. And then when you're done on 15th, 16th, you're supposed to analyze everything that you have done till now. Which subject, where you're lacking as per your papers, what you need to give your time on. And 17th starts your ulta revision for your exam. I'm going under the normal pretext that your exam starts on 1st May. Where since you guys will be getting additional days for someone who is in May 21, can always utilize their time to go for more. Why I said old course you should refer. हमारे costing SCMP के paper में there was one question on workmen which was a straight old RTP question. मैंने जब SCM का ऐसे ही कॉस्टिंग के ओल्ड का देखा था, वो क्वेश्चन देखा था, वो सोचा था ये पेपर में आया तो मैं पक्का ही अटेम्प्ट नहीं करने वाली, 5 मार्क गया तो चलेगा. इट वाज द वर्स्ट. So when that 15 minutes I had to decide which question to do, I saw this question. पहला ही चोकड़ी था, अभी यही 5 करने हैं क्योंकि ये अपने को आता ही नहीं है. कुछ नहीं तो ना, my so much time when I came out, my paper was amazing. Everybody said अरे ये question था क्या, करना क्या था? I had to say ये question छोड़ना था. वो पता होने के लिए you had to do old course. So it is really important that you see the entire material once before you go to exam. So I think I've covered your 4 months or whatever, 5-month strategy. And now we can go to maybe your MTP and RTP is a must. So that two that I had to write. One, you have to write your attempt MTP paper and get it checked. It's very important that you write MTP. Our cash flow had come utha ke, in FR from MTP. Now I'm going to go to finally, we are down to 1.5 days before exam and exam leave strategy, exam day strategy actually. One is I have told you how to cross-reference your books. So how do you start studying? You come back from a paper, you are in that psychology. First half an hour, watch TV. I used to watch Friends. You can watch whatever you want. Get out of that paper, uska dukh, uski khushi, and you have to go into the next. So 6 o'clock, you start studying again. Take a light subject if you're a morning person, take a light subject for the start, complete it. And then in the morning, you're supposed to do that cross-reference and most important questions that I've given you. Complete that and then go. So DT, I'll tell you, strategy was first complete international taxation, PGBP, capital gains, assessment of entities, charitable trust. Then you go on to saying the other chapters that are there. Don't ignore anything. Sare karne hai. See them lightly, but first have a good hold on these chapters. Then finally, what to do before in that exam hall also. I am a person who used to study till the last attempt, last minute. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दिमाग में कुछ नहीं जाता था. Just that psychology that I'm studying and I'm not chilling used to benefit me for some reason. Be your own self. वो देख रहा है फोन में या वो क्या chill बैठा है, मैं भी ऐसे बैठती हूँ, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Whoever you are, be that way in that last 15 days of your most important life in your days in your career. Then 15 minutes of reading time. How to use it? Read all the questions that are given, especially for elective subject. You can't read the case study. It's not possible. 5 में से 4 करने, you can't read them in 15 minutes में. Read at least the questions that are given in each after each case study. It really helps. Then after you've almost completed paper reading in 10 minutes, 5 minutes, you have to choose which 5 questions, or in elective 4 questions you are going to do. And with pencil, decide the chronology before you start writing the paper. ये first है, ये second है, ये third है. Do it. Then stick to your chronology when you're giving the paper. मतलब ठीक है, if you finally find that नहीं यार ये better है था, ये करता हूँ, it's okay. But when your brain is working in the start, you find your chronology. मैं यही 5 करने वाली हूँ, ऐसे ही order में करने वाली हूँ. Bell rings, you start. क्योंकि वो 10 मिनट coloring में जाता है, वो जाने दो. Your paper has to get complete. If you want to pass, your paper has to be completed. There is no alternative.
Finally, if I have to say, my exam style was, now everybody can have their own exam style. From 2 to when bell rings, I used to start my paper. I used to write from 2 to 2:30, 2 to 3:30, 3 questions, 42 marks. Theory, basically, matlab the 70, if I'm talking about the entire 30 MCQ and this paper. In 1.5 hours, I should be completing 42 marks, and I should be writing the paper in such a way that I should get at least 30 marks out of those 42. So when I'm going into MCQs at 3:30, I know मैंने 30 मार्क लिख लिया है, 30 मार्क का कंटेंट मुझे मिलेगा मार्क्स में. अभी MCQ of 30, I should at least score 20. So by 4 o'clock, my mind used to tell, तू पास हो रही है. Abhi 4 to 5 you have to do 2 questions that I don't know so well. That's why I've kept them at the later part. And I should get at least whatever that I'm getting an exemption. I used to break my paper like this. Some people go MCQ first, paper late. You decide and you write. I think I have covered everything that I thought was very important and not stop talking. कोई बोल रहा होगा सांस ले बीच में, but अभी लेती हूँ. And we can, I think Shreya can come in. I just will see if I have left with anything. And yeah, writing practice I told you.
Actually, Mentorify is bringing in a paid mentorship program. We are going to have this session where now I gave you a session, but if you are a night person and you want a different strategy for you. So one, we are going to do this 2 programs that we have. We are going to have one program where we will be telling you to write one set of papers. Like I told you, you're writing 2. So one of the set you will write, you will send it to us. We will check it for you. And with that, so mostly the rankers will be checking your paper because we are in the process of onboarding many rankers. And then those rankers will share the checked papers with you and even give you suggestions of how to write the paper, and will be sharing my certified copies with you. So you will have a ranker's paper, how it is written. You will have your paper, checked paper, and then you can compare, you can analyze how it is done. That will be one. And the second one, if you want to have a one-on-one mentorship program, because everybody needs that connect to have, and somebody who has just cleared it in 6 months can always, because abhi tak wo hai fresh, kya kaun sa question hai. So that one-to-one, how to, maybe 5 Sundays that you both, the mentor and mentee fixes up, you can have a one-on-one where he will tell you how to study, which to attempt first, should you take one group or both, how to prepare for elective, all that. So this will be a mentorship program